Welcome to Temas Academy. In today's class, we will be solving this question, which says find the y all over the x if y equal to cos x all over x squared. If you look into this question, you know this is differentiation. This is differentiation. And another thing is knowing the particular rule to use. You know, we have not less than 6 rules used in solving differentiation. We have general method, we have functions of function, we have first principle, we have quotient, and so rest of them. Now, in solving this particular problem, we'll be using quotient. Quotient rule of differentiation. We'll be using quotient rule of differentiation. Quotient rule. And before you use a particular rule, you need to know the formula. The formula for quotient rule is dy all over dx is equal to v du over dx minus u dv all over dx all over v square. This is the formula for quotient rule. This is the formula for quotient rule. I'm following it step by step so that after watching this video you can be able to solve any problem that is solvable with the use of quotient rule. Okay, now the next thing is to understand the one which is u and knowing the one which is v. Okay, they give us y equal to cos x all over x squared, and they said we should find dy all over dx. Now here we have u which is equal to cos x, and we have v which is equal to x squared. Okay, hope you are following me. Now, as we've known our v, our u and v, now let's find the difference. Let's find the u all over the x, which is equal to cos x. And if we differentiate cos x, we'll be getting negative sign x. We'll be getting negative sign s. Let's, for instance, if we differentiate sine x, what we will get is cos x, and so on and so forth. Now, let's focus on today's problem. Now, next class we'll go deeper on that. We'll go deeper on it. Now, we've gotten our dy all over dx to be negative sine x. Let's find our dv all over dx, which is equal to x squared. Now, if we differentiate this, we'll be getting 2x. We'll be getting 2x. Some people might be confused how I get 2x. Now, let's use general method of differentiation. Let's say we have dy all over dx equal to x squared. That means we will be getting 2 in bracket x raised to power 2 minus 1. I can say y, but if we multiply y, we will still be getting the same thing. I can add 1 because we have 1 here. The 1 is invisible. Okay, when we do this, 1 times 2 will give us 2. 2 minus 1 will give us 1. x raised to power 1 is same as x. That's how we got this 2. Now let's proceed. Let's find dy all over dx. Dy over dx is equal to, now if you look into this formula, we have v multiplied by du over dx. What is our v? Our v is x squared, and multiplying by du all over dx. What is our du over dx? That is negative sine x minus u. What's our u here? We have u as cos x multiplied by dv all over dx. Dv all over dx will give us which is 2x, which is this. Now v square. What's our v? Our v here is x squared. But the v, we have v square here. That means we'll square it. Okay, hope you are following. Now, if we solve this, now we will be getting here. We apply general. Let's open the bracket first. Dy all over dx is equal to this times this will give us a negative x squared sine x minus this multiplied by this will give us a 2x cos x all over this plus this will give us 4. Now we'll get a x raised to power 4. Now, what are we going to do here? Now let's apply the law of differentiation. If we differentiate this, we will get a dy all over dx. Here we will be getting a negative x sine x minus 2x cos x all over x raised to power 3. This is our final answer. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button if you are watching from YouTube. But if you are watching from Facebook, kindly follow this page. If you have any question, don't forget to drop it in the comment section. I will be checking up to answer your question. Thank you.